have here? We have a pop-up and we have a ATV. Alright. So this video is going to run more than just one day. I've missed the old girl. She's running good. I'm excited about doing some riding. The headlights are working. I've got a lot of work ahead of me, but at least I'm gonna get back in there and relax a little bit. My feet are killing me. I've walked so much today. Thank you for watching along with me so far, and hope. Okay, it's the next morning, and I'm back at working on the pop-up first this morning, I guess. And I'm gonna try to spray it off with a water hose, get some of the dirt off of it, and just that way it can be drying a little bit. So I'm gonna get the water hose out. welcome back. So I wanted to show what I've got going. Stuff sitting on the ground for me and getting things done. So